Scoopy poop. Doopy. They can No, they can't hear me, I think. I think I muted my mic. I don't want to do that. 11 view. There's one hole missing too. Oh, far. Strict. I need strict. Give me strict. Strict. Dude, what the heck? Nah. I'm not doing that. 2v2. Yes. My team is blue. I like Asuri. Stop it, teammate! You literally suck. Watch, teammate. Teammate, just watch. Teammate, watch. Teammate, watch. Pass. Teammates, you literally suck. Okay. Yes! Yes! Ranks. Teammate, let me take it. Teammate. Duh. Watch me cook. Teammate, I'm gonna pass you. Watch me. Watch me go crazy. You saw that assist. Like I'm totally scoring on my net. Stop, teammate, stop. Teammate, stop. You're so annoying. I'm trying to score a banger here. Come on. Go in. Bro, teammate. Yes. Yeah, take that, teammate. Stop, I'm cooking. You suck. Oh, Team Blue is such tryhard. Ranks, you're too tryhard. Teammate, you suck. Bro, what's your problem? Just watch me cook. Watch me cook. Junior. Santos. Watch. Yes! Like I told you. Okay. 30-something seconds left. And I'm gonna cook. Watch me cook this. Stop! There's like 2 seconds left. Oh my god. Stop dragging the joke. What the heck, teammate? Why would you steal the ball from me? Where's the ball? What? What? Penalty shootout. No. Go. Okay, I have to... Dude, sucks. What is this? No, I can't score for the other team. I mean, what? Why would I score for the other team? I cooked there. I cooked. I cooked. Oh, I blocked it with my head. That's W. Teammate, go. Teammate, what the heck? You are so try hard. Watch. Let me take this kick. What was that? For the fun. Tomorrow and yesterday. I did. Liar. Sir. Stop. Dude, teammate, you're so bad at this game. Pass. Trust, I got you. Trust, pass, I got you. Trust, pass, teammate. Teammate, pass. I'll play blitz with you in 2 seconds. It's not like you're good at blitz. You suck at Fortnite. Yay, teammate, yeah, teammate. You play randoms? Nice, come on, pass. Yeah! Ranks! My God, fine. Such an AB baby. Oh, you pretty quiet, little bitch. Don't touch my VR, cuh. I'm gonna kung fu your ass, bro. Stop. Yes.